that keeps getting reprinted. So I, myself and many women in Ireland are on a movement to try and bring a bit more of that back. It's the reality of life, you know, for all women of all ages, right? So it was cleansed of it. And the other thing I find really interesting is Breach is no longer a goddess, she becomes a woman. And so, you know, that starts to happen, that she's a woman. And that's quite a different energy, you know? So just to be mindful of that. And then sometimes what happens is that's the one that's cited. It's 1901, 1905, and it's Gods and Fighting Men, is it? Is the main one. And even the title kind of gives you a clue, you know. I could call it the Cúchulainnization of Irish mythology because, you know, it becomes much more about Cuchulainn and the warriors. And of course we're leading into 1916, the men need to fight. So a lot of the goddess energy did get forgotten, but I tell you what, it's rising again, isn't it? So I just wanted to show you that, it's just interesting. And then this is actually just the words, the ancient